possible tornado just west of the courthouse. That area does have a history of bad weather like that going through for some reason. Also some rain and wind damage being reported on Beach Road.
We've seen there is a tornado watch in effect. We now have a new graphic for you to show you the tornado watch. Right
now, Doppelganger 6 continues to show very, very heavy rain right over the city. And this is really in the action markers going up Richmond Street. Coming up to the north, continually having a triple R. Numerous roads
keeps coming all over the place. And again, the wind is shifting, and occasionally we're just getting just torrents of rain mixed in with wind, and it's just a major mess up here.
Not
so,
crossing
as you guys been telling me possible, but do not try to go. This guy might not make it, but then again, he might. They're trying to get through this area where this van has been stuck here for 2 hours. So.
That is pretty amazing. That is 195. Flooded out, cars stranded. Like about the only way to get out of the city is down Patterson. You don't usually get this in Richmond. Wow, look at that. Franklin Street.
Yeah, I got stuck on Wall Street Bridge with the wall. I live over on top.
Cars on top of one another. A lot of this has been cleaned up. Car damaged by the flood.